Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can send you a friend request on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile and now here you will find friend requests. Click on it and here as you see just click like this on everyone and that's how to make everyone can send you friend requests, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.